So hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss a problem from Courtship contest, that is split permutation. So let's see the problem here. Okay. So in the problem, we have given an integer. Just a second. Okay. In the problem, we have given an integer n, and we need to generate a permutation. Okay. Now, what is a permutation? A permutation is basically, sorry, a permutation of length and consists all the integers from 1 to n. Okay, so what will be a permutation? Simply, let's say if n is equal to 4, then the array should contain integers only from 1 to 4. In any order, it doesn't matter, but the element should be from 1 to 4 only. So this is a permutation. Okay, now we need to generate a permutation that has a maximum goodness. Now, what is goodness? For the goodness, we need to read this. Okay. First of all, the goodness of a permutation is the maximum integer key. Okay. Maximum integer key such that the permutation can be split into exactly k subarray. So, what is the goodness is basically, let's say we have some array, we need to divide into some sub-arrays, ठीक है, such that the sum of sub-array 1 and the sum of sub-array 2 till sub-array k, ठीक है, everything is equal. So this is the goodness basically. So let's see the problem. What exactly it is saying is, first of all, we have given an integer n. We need to generate a permutation. Okay. Now, which has a maximum goodness. And what is goodness? Goodness is basically goodness of permutation is the maximum integer case such that permutation can be split into exactly k subarrays. Okay. Where each subarray has the same sum. This is what the problem is saying. Basically, we have given n a subarray. We need to divide into some subarrays. Just a second. Some subarrays such that some subarrays मतलब k subarrays. Okay, k subarrays such that sum of each subarray is equal. So simple सा case है that what we need to do. ठीक है. Now let's see few cases here. Let's say if n is equal to 6. ठीक है, let's see this case. What will gonna happen in this? First of all, what are the possible permutations? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the first permutation. All right, now think, how can I like get the sub arrays whose sum, how can I divide this array into key sub arrays such that their sums should be equal. ठीक है? Suppose I wanna divide something like this. So in that case, it has some 3, it has some 7, and it has some 11, and none of them are equal. So like this is not a doable thing. ठीक है? Okay. Can I think divide in any other way? Let's say if the permutation was something like, if I choose 6 from here, one from sorry, one from here, it will gonna give me what, 7. If I choose 2 from here and 5 from here, it will gonna give me 7. If I choose 3 from here and 4 from here, it will gonna give me 7. Means I can divide this array into 3 sub arrays, and the sum of the sub array will be 7, and all the 3 are equal. So if I rewrite this permutation, it will look something like 1 6 5 2 3 4. This is like a permutation. ठीक है? Now the sum of this sub array, the sum of this sub array, the sum of this sub array is same. That is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. And that is equal to 7. Means in that case, what is the goodness? Goodness is basically 3, and that is the maximum. ठीक है? So yeah, this is how I can divide any, uh, how can I generate any permutation for any n. Let's say another case, when n is odd. Let's say if n is 5, so will the case remain same when n is odd as well? Let's say. So let's say this is the possible permutation, right? Let's say period. Now what I was doing in the even case, I was just taking the first and last element. So in that case, 1 and 5 will gonna give me 6, right? 2 and 4 gonna give me 6, but 3 will remain unplaced. Okay? So in this case, there will be problem. So what I can do is, why not to neglect 5? Simply forget it. ठीक है? Now 1 and 4 will gonna give me 5, 2 and 3 will gonna give me 5, and simply 1 will gonna give me 5. Simple. So how can I divide it? how can I divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into three sub-arrays such that something like 1, 4, 2, 3, and 5. Now here 1, 4 has the sum 5, 2, 3 has the sum 5, and 5 itself is a 5. So I can divide this array into three sub-arrays whose sum is 5. So in that case the maximum goodness is 3. So we just need to generate the sub-arrays permutations basically. ठीक है? So the answer is this permutation, this is what we need to return. So if you let's see how you are like going to write this code. ठीक है? So I can do something like a variable, let's say start, something like a variable start, let's say its value is 1, and a variable and its value is n. ठीक है? I can simply keep on like first I'm going to print start, then I'm going to print end, and then I can like increase the value of start and decrease the value of end, and do this until I reach n by 2. Okay? So if you wanna see the code, let's see the code here. So yeah, this is the code for the problem. So see in the code what exactly I am doing. First of all, take the input of n, or this. Yeah. Now, first of all, take the input, and after this, declare a variable end. Now, what I am doing is, if n is odd, in that case, first I will calculate the subarray permutation for like n minus 1. ठीक है? Because n minus 1 will be even and I can easily find this. ठीक है? So I will try to find when n is odd, I will try to find the n minus 1 permutation. ठीक है? And after this, I can simply add the last element into it. Now, I will declare a variable start that will start from 1. Now, I will go from 0 to n by 2, and I will print start and end, and after this I'm going to increase the value of start and decrease the value of end until I reach n by 2. So from here I'm going to get the subarray for the even number, and after this if I found the n is odd, means I need to add n into it as well. So simply add n and that's it. So this is the code for this problem. This is how you can solve this problem.